How do you get reviews for your Amazon business? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Amazon has made it harder and harder to get reviews for your business. So in this video series, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about engineering your own reviews for your Amazon store. Now, if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, you want to do that because this is part of a seven video series all about a heap of different ways to get reviews for Amazon, ranging from completely white hat to absolutely black hat. So you want to make sure you subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use some of the best coupon sites to massively increase the number of reviews you get for your business. Now, final things. Let's go over here. So this is the final thing, okay? And then I think I've shown you shitloads of things. You now got heaps of different ways to get reviews on Amazon. I'm going to show you two more ways, and then I believe you've got enough. All right, so this is SimilarWeb. This is a great website for doing competitor research and for understanding traffic sources on Amazon. So here we are looking at amazon.com.au. You can see that's 44 million visits for the month of December, okay? All right, let's just scroll down though. Top referring sites. This is something I've talked about heaps. Hopefully you guys have been paying attention to that. But top referring sites tells you what are the biggest traffic sources for Amazon. Where does Amazon get its traffic from? Well, turns out OzBargain drives a shitload of traffic to amazon.com.au, so Amazon Australia. Drives a shitload of traffic. So, what is OzBargain? Well, OzBargain is deals, coupons, cashbacks, things like that. It's a really great way. This is not really what we're here to talk about, but it's a great way to launch a product as well. Part and parcel of your overall launch strategy. OzBargain, really, really cool. You can get a lot of sales really, really quickly, and it's good launch strategy, okay? But as far as we're concerned, it's also a very, very effective review strategy too. So, easy to sign up. You get your product onto it. I'm not going to kind of take you through that because it's all a piece of piss to do, but that's something else I do. I use OzBargains. The thing that I've found is this. If you've got a shitty product, it will get destroyed by this strategy. So David Ogilvy, smartest marketing guy that's ever lived, he said, good marketing will speed up the processes of a business. It will either speed up the business's failure or it will speed up the business's success. So if you've got a shitty Me Too product, I would not do this strategy because it ain't the best strategy for you. But if you've got a product that you put some care into, you thought about it, and it's a good quality product, OzBargain, awesome, okay? Hopefully, here in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, we're all in the latter, not in the former. The other thing I've noticed is as well, you should expect somewhere around 1 in 4 people to leave your review. Like, you won't get them all, but you can get a lot of them. You can get a lot of them. So you won't get them all, you can get a lot of them. And you can make a ton of sales using this particular thing, okay? Really, really cool. The other one I like as well, this is for the USA, if you were wondering what should I do in the USA, is Cashback Base. I really, really like this as well as a platform. Same thing as OzBargain. And again, 1 in 4 will leave a review. Again, the reviews can be brutal if your product's kind of shitty. So be mindful of that. But as a strategy, it is gold. And it's good for launch as well. So, there you go. I don't know how many strategies that was. It felt like bloody heaps. But the bottom line is, you need reviews on Amazon. You need reviews, and it ought to be part and parcel of your overall marketing strategy to be engineering reviews all the time, not just one style of thing, like, oh, I'm just going to rely on Upwork, or I'm just going to rely on cashback websites. Don't do that. Have multiple different strategies running, so you've constantly got things coming in, okay? That's the way to do it. You need to be engineering these things all the time. You can't just set and forget. Hi, I'm Neil Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and we've helped over 2,000 people right here in Australia start their very own profitable Amazon business and go from zero to over $50 million in sales and growing on Amazon right here in Australia. We're the largest community of online sellers anywhere in Australia, and you can find out more at AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au.